Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and then select Child or Teenager and click Next. Now select Add or Create account for your child and then select Google. Here you have to enter your child email address and then click Next. Now you have to enter your child password and then click I agree. Now click Accept and now click Back and select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address and then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And here you have to scroll all the way down. And then here you have to enter your child's password again. Now click Next. And here you have to scroll down and click Next. Now scroll all the way down again and click Next again. And here you can click Install Family Link or you can click Skip and then you can click Skip again. Now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.